I just got more support, more information basically on this trend confirming itself. So right here, right on Friday, we have the US PCE index, and this is important because this is the news that I was talking about that could affect the stock and it retracing within that gap, but also pulling back up. So it says the U.S. Core PCE Price Index, the Federal Reserve performed engage to measure underlying inflation, rose by 0.2% from the previous month in July of 2024, in line with market expectations and consistent with the 0.2% increase in June. So that's key because we want to look at what the market did during those times, right? So in July, right, if we go to July 1st, right here, once the first PCE, or we can go back to June real quick. Let's go to June. This is June 3rd. So, boom, after June 3rd, the market started uptrending. The QQQ in specific, boom, same thing that it did in July. Same thing. The PCE came out, it started uptrending. Let's get back to the news. In the meantime, core PCE prices rose by 2.6% from the corresponding period of the previous month, below the census of 2.7 and aligning with the backdrop of the warranted start of rate cuts by the Fed Reserve. They already cut rates by 0.5% as opposed to 0.25%, which also sent the market into increase, caused the market to increase. So based off of the year and how it's been trending up, specifically with the QQQ, it's on a yearly average. And Yahoo Finance basically said that the S&P 500, let's just listen to it.
This is Yahoo Finance's flagship show, The Morning Brief. Let's get to the three things that you need to know today, starting with the markets here.
Well, Brad, stock features are a little changed this morning after the S&P 500 and the Dow closed at record highs Tuesday. It was the S&P 500's 41st record close of the year. All three major averages are on track to post monthly gains. Next big test for the market, that's coming on Friday. We will get PCE, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge.
And semiconductors are...
It's key. So they're posting monthly gains. The monthly gains for right now is at 2.21%. With this news information coming out, we should expect it to maybe return back to its all-time high of 503, giving us a $2,500 range to make some dough in. So that's the more information I have on the QQQ in order to understand why our play is going to move either up or down. Explaining volatility on the QQQ play option just to get us fully understood in it.